Hello everyone, my name is Rajan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel Indian Research Hub. So today we are going to learn about a software called Citation Machine. This is especially useful for automatically formatting all of our references. So in academic writing or in our graduate or undergraduate project reports, we need to prepare the document according to the university guidelines. Even some journals have a particular set of guidelines that your references should follow a particular style. That can be APS 7, APS 6, MLA, Chicago, Harvard, IEEE or any other. So here you can see I have a list of references that are compiled from multiple sources. Each reference is having a different style. So now today I am going to teach you how we can convert all these references into a particular style required by the journal or your university. So in order to do that, first just go to Google and type citation machine. So click on the first link and this is the home page of our software called Citation Machine. So the first thing you have to do is create an account using this sign up option. So you can use your Google or Outlook or Yahoo or any other email ID to create an account, and this is for free. So since I have already created an account on this website and I am just using my login credentials. So this website is having some ads. Since this service is free, so they are trying to generate the revenue by showing some ads to the users. So don't worry, they are not going to disturb your work. So just clicking in after the login button, so you will see this screen. So the first thing you have to do is click on the create citation list button. So the folders here are my previous works, so don't get confused with them. So whenever you just log in for the first time, click on the create citation list. So after that a new window will pop up. You have to give some name to your work. So since I'm going to teach you formatting the references for a journal called benchmarking, so I'm just keeping the name as benchmarking, and also I'm giving the today's date, so I should not confuse when I visit the website again. So I'm just giving benchmarking for July and 2022. The citation style you can select MLA or APA or Chicago, anything from this, but preferably APA 7 because it is preferred by most of the journals and most of the universities. So after clicking that folder is created, benchmarking 1st July 2022. Simply click on the folder. After you clicking on the folder, a new window will pop up, and in order to create the citations, just click on the create citation button. So you can see the three options. Either you can cite a website, you can cite a book, and you can cite a journal. So don't get confused. We have many other formats also. You can cite a newspaper, you can cite a blog, you can cite a conference, you can cite a dissertation, that means someone's thesis, you can cite a bill, anything, a scholarly project and a software, anything you can cite. So in order to teach you that how you can use this website, I'm just beginning with a journal article. So after clicking on the journal, and you will have an option, the search box. Here it is mentioned search by title or DOI. So I am just going into my citation list. So I am simply copying the title from my reference list. So I have copied my title and just simply pasting it here. So I'm just clicking on the search button. So after you click on the search button, in a few seconds you will get the results. So here you can see gas pipeline safety management system based on neural network, written by Mujtaba, process safety progress 2022. So I'm just cross verifying. Okay, 2022 process safety progress. So this is the exact same reference what we are looking for. So just click on the cite button here. After that, this window will pop up. So here everything is, all rows are in green color tick marks. That means no information is missing in this phase. So click on the continue button, and after you click on the continue button, this is the final search result, how the citation machine considers the data. So here you can see you have the author first name, last name. So there are three authors, and the volume number, issue number, and the day of publication is 7th. The month is missing. You can add after visiting the website, or you can ignore because in APA 7 the month is not required. So the year of publication is 2022. So here the important information is page numbers. So here the page numbers are missing since this article is published in 2022. So for new articles it might take little time to get the update. So here I can see from my reference list the page number is 129. So I am just keeping the 129 page numbers here. So after that click on the complete citation button. So hooray, your first reference has been successfully added to the list. So let us see one more example. So one reference is added. So let us see one more example. After that click on this create citation button, and after you click that button there are options. You can cite a website, book and journal. So let us try one more journal article by clicking on the journal button. So after clicking the journal button you can search by title or device. So for first article we have used title to search it. In the second example we just use the DOI. So I'm just going to my reference list. So here I'm just copying the DOI from this list and I'm pasting it here. So click on the search button. Within few seconds you will see. So you can see the result. Can we predict occupational accident frequency? So whether it is the same? Yeah. Can we predict accident? Okay. So click on the cite button and continue. And here you can see all the information, author's name and their surnames, volume, issue, and the day month is not there because in APA 7 it is not required. So the citation machine algorithm is not considering that. So here you can see in our last example we are unable to get the page number since that article was a recent one. So this article is published in 2006. You can see that the page numbers are automatically extracted by the algorithm. So just click on the complete citation button. So this citation machine is a free software. So whenever you want to use it for the next 48 hours, a new ad will pop up. So just simply click on a view sponsored message button and a video will start to play. You can watch the video for 30 seconds or you can simply ignore it by browsing some other tabs. So I'm just simply using this time for finding some articles on blockchain. So blockchain technology in India. So you can see some articles till that time. Okay, so this is a good article about blockchain technology. So you can simply copy paste the title from here also. If you find this article is useful for your study, just simply copy the title and paste it in citation machine. So the ad is done. So you will get unlimited access for next 48 hours. So after 48 hours also 130 seconds ad will come. So you have to just play it. So we have successfully added two citations, and next we will add one more kind of reference. So since we have added two journal articles, let us try a book this time. So I'm just clicking on the book button. After clicking that, it is asking for search by title. So I'm going to my references list and I'm searching whether I have any book in the list. So I'm just going through it. Okay, there must be a book in my references. Okay, so it is a book, Foundations of Safety. I'm just simply copy pasting the title, book title. So click on search button. So you can see. So the Decker 2019 Foundations of Safety Science. So it is exactly the same, Decker and 2019 Foundations of Safety Science. And click on the cite button in order to cite that book. So click on continue. So it is a three phase process. Every time when you wanted to add a reference, you have to follow these three steps. These three steps are to make sure that you are not losing any important information in your citation list. So you can cite the whole book. If you want to cite a particular chapter, you can click on chapter or section. So in my case I want to cite the whole book, so I'm clicking on that. So and click on complete citation. So you can see out of our 52 references, 3 of them are already added to the list. So we will take one more example in this time and we will see how to cite a website. Okay, I'm just clicking on the website button. So what website we need to search? So let us take an example. There was an accident in Mumbai fire ONGC, and that was in location called Uran. Okay, so let us take this example: 4 dead, 5,000 evaluated. So if you think this article, this newspaper article is useful for your study, your thesis, or your research paper, just read it if you found anything useful, and if you want to cite the data from this article, just copy the URL and go to our citation machine and check on the website and just copy paste the URL. So after clicking that, you will get the result. So here you can see 4 dead, 5,000 evacuated, and you will see the same result here: 4,000, sorry, 4 dead and 5,000 evacuated. And click on the cite button and click on continue, and you can see all the details are added automatically. So we have added 2 research articles, 1 textbook, and 1 online website. So in this way you can click on this create citation button, and you can cite a website, or you can cite a book, you can cite a journal. Even if you want to cite a conference, so conference is also there. So you can just simply copy paste the conference title, then that conference details will come, then click on the cite button. So after adding all these references one by one, you just simply go to uh, the drop down list from here and click on my citation list. So you can get back your folder benchmarking. So all these 4, in for example purpose I have shown 4. So you can add all these references one by one by using the article title or by using the DOI. So you can use the DOI, or you can select the title of the article and just paste it here. So after selecting the article, so you just click on the copy all button here, and you can also sort them by using this function called sort by. You can sort them alphabetically, you can sort by most recent or least recent. So after adding all your 50 or 40 references or whatever you have, just simply click on this copy all button. So I'm just simply clicking on this copy all button, and you can get the message that all citations are copied. Now go back to your document. So wherever you want to add your references, so just make some space. Okay, references and control V, that's it. So you can see all these articles are automatically formatted into APA 7. So just for your convenience, I am just mentioning the style here. So APA 7 what we have used. Now the beauty of the citation machine compared to other similar tools like Mendeley or Zotero. So once you have added all these references into your folder, you can change the style at any time. So currently it is in APA 7. Now I want to convert them into MLA. So let us assume that MLA 8 is required by your university or by a journal. Just click on MLA 8, and you can see within 30 or 40 seconds all your references are formatted into MLA. So you need not to copy one by one. So just click on copy all button. So all references are copied, and just click on paste. So you can see the difference between the two. I'm just zooming out. So here you can see the year is after the author in APA 7, and what is this? This is MLA 8. MLA 8. Okay. So you can see in MLA 8 the author's name are not there, only the first author name is there, and the year is moved to the end. So in APA 7 all author's name is there, and the year is after the author name. So even if you get a rejection from a journal which is follows MLA 8 style, now you want to make your references into APA 6, just click on APA 6. Within few seconds, within 30 or 40 seconds, all your references will be formatted into APA 6 style. So you can just click on the copy all button and go to your document. You can delete them if you want. If you want to keep them, you can keep, and just click on Control V. So this is APA 6. So in the similar way, you can add all your references and you can automatically format them. So this is the major advantage. Most of the your time will be saved. So in our case, since I'm uh, preparing these references for the benchmarking journal, so let us see what kind of style that benchmarking journal follows. Now I'm just checking the journal website benchmarking, and I'm just going to the website, and here you can see under right for this journal the guidelines will be there. So let us assume that you are submitting to this journal, and under the guidelines somewhere it will be written the references style. Okay, references. So all your reference in manuscript must be formatted using one of the recognized Harvard style, and they are saying that you are welcome to use Harvard style emerald. So let us assume that we have added all our references using APS 6, but the journal is asking for what? Harvard style. So simply do not worry, just go to this citation style, like click on APS 6, and what journal it is benchmarking, what style it follows? It follows emerald. So simply type emerald and you can see emerald Harvard. So click on emerald Harvard, automatically all your references, in my case I have only 4, but if you add 50 or 60, so all your 50 or 60 references will be automatically formatted into emerald style, I mean for the benchmarking style. So let us assume that you have submitted an article to benchmarking, and you have followed the benchmarking style only, I mean emerald Harvard style as mentioned by the journal. So but after a few days if you get a rejection and if you want to submit to a new journal, so let us take one more journal. Let us take what? International Journal of Production Research. It is a very good journal published by Taylor and Francis. So I'm just going to the website to see what kind of style it follows. So under this submit an article, go to instruction for authors, and under instruction for authors go for references. So here you can say reference, please use this reference guide. Okay, click on the reference guide. So what kind of style they follow, we will just see which style they follow. So here it is mentioned the Taylor Francis Chicago author date. So we just go to our citation machine. So let us assume that your benchmarking or Harvard style is rejected. Now you wanted to submit this article to IJPR, I mean International Journal of Production Research. So here it is mentioned Chicago style. So just click on this existing style and type what it is, Chicago. So we just type Chicago, and you can see many Chicago styles are there. So Taylor and Francis, yes, Taylor and Francis Chicago, and that was Taylor and Francis Chicago author date. So Taylor, and you can see all the styles. So Taylor and Francis Chicago manual of author date. So this is the exact style that journal is looking for. So if you click on that button within a few seconds, so now you can see all of your references are formatted into this style, Taylor and Francis Chicago author date. So once if you create a folder and you add all your references into that folder, so you can use that folder, I mean you can automatically format your references into any style. So it has approximately 400 or 500 styles. You can use the software for free. So once the first time when you add all these references, it might take a lot of time because you need to copy paste each article's title or DOI to add them into list. But once the references are added into your list, you can automatically format the references style into any journal or any specific style. So if you don't know what kind of style the journal follows, but if they say that you just simply give us the citations or references in APS 7, just click on APS 7. Even if you just know the journal name, but if you don't know the citation style, so just type that journal name. So in my case I'm just giving example of safety. So you can see safety science is a very good journal. I'm just clicking on the safety science. So I don't need to visit the website of this journal since the style is already inbuilt in the citation machine. So you can add, you can change the references using the journal name, or you can go to this journal's website and see what kind of style it follows. So I'm just type the safety signs and the references are automatically formatted. So one more advantage the with the citation machine is it's only not about formatting the references. Once your references are added into the list, you can automatically cite them. I mean, the citation style is also you can get for free. So, example, if you want to cite this artwood, the first article, and just move your cursor to the first article. So, there are two options: copy citation and copy in-text citation. So, if you click on copy citation, the full citation will be copied. Full citation means I'm just pasting it here. So the full citation, the full reference is copied. So if you click on copy in-text citation, so this is in-text citation Outward et al 2006. So click on copy. So you have copied. So let us assume that somewhere, okay, this sentence is said by Outward. So if you want to cite them, now I just simply copy the citation from there and I'm clicking on Control V. Just simply pasting. So Outward et al is added here. So if you want add this Mustaba, just click on copy in-text citation, and this citation style, it follows what we have given. So here I have given safety signs, so this citation machine is following the safety signs style. So that is the major advantage. So I'm just clicking on the copy. So somewhere let us say this is said by the author. So you can add it for ease of use. So Mustaba et al is added. So in the similar way, you can use the citation machine for copying the in-text citation as well as the whole reference. And after adding all references, don't forget you need not to copy each reference. Just click on the copy all button and go to your Word document. Okay, and just simply Control V. So all your references are automatically formatted using the citation machine. So whatever the style your university or your journal gives, just click to that style and automatically all your references are formatted. So if you want to remove any specific article from this list, so if you added this by mistake, you can remove them also. Just move your cursor to this rectangle here and click on it. After you click on it, three options will come: export, copy or delete. So you just simply click on delete. So whether it is asking you want to delete, yes, I want to delete it. So earlier there were four and now there are only three. So in this way you can add unlimited number of references using the DOI, the website link or the title. So this is how you can use the citation machine for free, and you can use many number of citation or references styles using this citation machine. The major advantage is it has unlimited number of citation styles, and it has a number of references style also. Like in Mendeley or Zotero or any other tool, you cannot cite a online link. There is a lot of difficulty in citing an online link or a chapter or a dictionary. So it has more number of options compared to Mendeley and Zotero. So try to use this. These ads might seem irritating to you, but since it is a free tool, so we need to watch them. So if you want to go ad free, they have other option. You can click on this upgrade button, then they will charge you some nominal amount and you will not get all these ads. But I advise you to stick to the free version because it offers similar kind of advantages compared to the paid version. Only thing is you won't get ads in premium subscription. So compared to Mendeley or Zotero, it has a lot of options. So simply click on whatever kind of document you want to cite. If you want to cite a conference, click on conference and just copy paste the conference title here. You will get the result and click on the cite button and all your references are added. So whenever you want to access your document after logout, if you log in again, just go to this drop down list and from this list click on my citation list, and if you click on the my citation list, so your folder will be there and the reason for keeping the date is so that we can remember on which date what kind of work we have done. So the benchmarking was the folder we have created today. So I'm just clicking on the folder, and you can see earlier we had 4 and recently we have removed one reference, so 3 are there. So in a similar way, just click on the create citation button and add all of your references for free. So that's it. I think you liked my video. This is really helpful for researchers, academic writers, and postgraduate and graduate students and PhD students. I actually had a lot of trouble in formatting the references while I was writing academic papers, but when I found this paper, now I can format all my 64 or whatever references. I will just simply create a folder and I will add my all references here, so that if article gets rejection, I need not to worry. I mean, automatically I can format all the references using a single click here, MLA, APS 6 or whatever. So even if a professor says to follow APS 6 and after few days if he advises you to follow APS 7, so you need not to worry. And even Chicago, no need to worry. In few seconds you will get, and the references will be automatically formatted. So if you want to copy all the references, please click on the copy all button. If you wanted to export any particular citation, just go to here. Since it is APA 6, so just copy in-text citation, so the author name along with the year will come. So you need not to worry what kind of citation style APA 6 follows. Just click on APA 6 and click on in-text citation, so you will get the style of APA 6. So this is the advantage of this tool. Your references will be automatically formatted and the citation will be automatically formatted, and you can convert them into any style and unlimited number of times. So thank you so much for watching. In the coming days I am trying to upload more number of videos so that the researchers can use such kind of free tools to improve their productivity. Thank you so much. If you like this video, share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. So stay tuned for more updates. Thank you all. Bye bye.